Hey guys, Jeff here from Strong Yield. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Titan investment app. This is an update to a Titan review that I did back in 2019. Since then, there's been a number of changes within the app, some new investment products that they offer, and I'll also show you the performance of my investments within Titan. For those of you who don't know what Titan is, so Titan is an app that allows you to invest in a basket of stocks that are actively picked and managed by Titan. So you're not actively trading here or actively picking these stocks. And they adjust the stocks that they're investing in for you, as well as the hedge. So they have a hedge that they add based off of market conditions. So if there's a downturn, for example, they up the hedge depending on your risk tolerance. And then depending on the performance of different companies and financials of these different companies, they'll update their investment thesis, update the basket of stocks that you're invested in. Sometimes they'll pull stocks out of that basket, sometimes they'll add new ones. So let's go ahead and take a look in the app. So to start off here, you see at the top here is your total investments that I currently have. You can see the breakdown of different investment products that I'm invested in. The main one here is the Flagship. This is the large cap stocks, basket of stocks that Titan is invested in. And this is the only investment product that they had back in 2019 when I first started. So you can see I have diversified beyond that as they've added new products. So they have Flagship, which is large cap stocks, a basket of about 20. And then there's opportunities. These are small cap. What you're looking to do here with Titan is, if you're looking for a comparison with their opportunities, really it's the Russell 2000. These are small cap stocks that you're looking to just outperform, like the Russell 2000 with. The Flagship, you're looking to just outperform, the S&P 500. These are high growth stocks that they're picking here. And then Offshore, international investments. This is a new one. I actually just recently invested in this one and added that to my portfolio. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Let's look at Flagship, and you can see, the basket of stocks that they've picked. You can see updates on if they update their investment thesis for a specific company. There's lots of information that they have. You can see that they do, their due diligence here. There's, at the bottom here, you will see the hedge. It's currently not activated. It's at the minimum level because of market conditions. But I did see, during the downturn at the beginning of COVID, this was activated and it was maxed out. And it was really cool to see how they were shifting the investment strategy based off of market conditions. So this is really, for someone who wants to be a set it and forget it investor, but wants to outperform the S&P 500, is interested in investing in high growth stocks, but wants to have some of the advantages that, a hedge fund might have, where they have an active manager, they're hedging against, market conditions, depending on if there's a downturn, if things are looking good, depending on your risk tolerance, all of that great stuff. So let's take a look at the opportunities here. You can see current investments. They've cycled through these a lot, actually. They're updating the opportunities a bit more than the large cap stocks, and probably because these companies, they're smaller cap, there's a lot more drastic shifts that are happening in terms of like their earnings and financials and all that stuff. And then we have the Offshore, of course, that I just mentioned. This is a new one I just started investing in through Titan. And then you can also see the breakdown of my portfolio. You can see that it's roughly broken down, 60% Flagship, large cap, 20% small cap opportunities, and then 20% Offshore, that's international stocks, of course. And this will change depending on your preferences as well. So you can set this. Scrolling down here, Titan, as always, gives plenty of information to support their investment thesis. They're keeping you updated on why certain stocks have been picked and added to their basket, why they've removed certain stocks, and their long-term strategy. This is really, long-term investing buy and hold type investing, high growth. And then let's take a look at the performance here overall. As you can see at the top, I have added more since my last video, but I've also seen significant gains as well. You can see a total 3,700 that I've gained since I started investing with Titan, but I've added more since my last video as well. You can also see the performance versus the S&P 500 as well as other robo-advisor apps. So we have at the top here, Titan Flagship, since they launched, has had nearly 100% return. And I forget exactly when they launched, but it may have been 2019 or 2018. Don't know exactly. And you can see the S&P 500 has seen growth of 68%, and then Wealthfront down here, 46%, Betterment, 43%, and then they just have generic private client there as well. And then let's take a look at there's a way that we can look at the performance of like opportunities versus the market equivalent, which is the Russell 2000. Here we go, Titan Opportunities, and this is a new one. This one just launched, I believe, in 2020. So this one, you can see Titan Opportunities has returned about 66%, whereas the market equivalent, Russell 2000, returned 47%. So outperforming the market, which is great. This is great for someone who wants to be a passive investor, but in high growth stocks that are actively managed. The fees, so Titan will charge, starting off, 1% of investments under management. That's the annual fee. And you can actually get a discount if you click on the link in the description of this video. You can get 0.25 points off of that. And then you can also refer friends if you'd like to bring that down even further. But all in all, I'm very happy with Titan. As you can see, I've added more, since I did my last video because it's performed so well. And if you're looking to outperform, the S&P 500, outperform the market, invest in high growth stocks, you're not interested in, picking stocks on a regular basis or doing all the due diligence, or actively trading, let them do that for you. It's really like, they'll change based off of market conditions. And it's really cool to see, and it's cool that you can get all the information on their analysis that they're doing on these different companies as well. So definitely recommend it. If you're interested, click the link in my description, like and comment on this video, subscribe if you're interested in seeing more on investment apps, investments in general, and thanks for watching.